This will be the most important lesson you will hear. Stay till the end. Subscribe right now to these videos. I want you to get results. Watch them every week and let me know in the comments if you need anything. Welcome to episode 4 of Limitless Me. I'm Litsa, transformation coach and money mindset instructor. Let's go see why this lesson is so important. As a money mindset instructor, I do 3 different seminars. The first is a 14-day workshop where we do financial unblocking. We unblock limiting beliefs, fears, anything that comes up from the past. We take a hard look on what's going on right now with your finances, and we also take a look at the future and see where you want to go. That's one seminar. The second is about happiness, how to bring happiness into your life. And what's important with that is that I give you the tools to get back to happiness each time something happens in your life. The third is law of attraction. In that seminar, not only do you learn the steps, everybody knows the steps, how to get the law of attraction to work for you, but you also get really deep into how you feel and what you actually do to bring the law of attraction to your life in a way that's positive for you. Why do I mention that? Those 3 components are what somebody actually needs to live a better financial situation. It's not irrelevant. It's not that we work on money mindset so we're okay. If you can't have happiness, if you can't bring happiness into your life, feel the happiness that you have, you won't be able to get to the financial situation that you want. Again, if you don't understand the laws of attraction, if you don't understand how things work for you, you won't be able to bring more finances, more money into your life. So all that together gets you where you want to go. What I do with those 3 topics, financial unblocking, happiness, and law of attraction, is to get you motivated. With those 3 topics, you actually take responsibility for your life, for your happiness, and for your actions. And that's what's going to get you to the next level. You need to be motivated. Turn off the TV. Stop scrolling on social media. Do things that will help your financial situation get better. If you're sitting all day just thinking or trying to decide which way you're going to go, you're just going to go in circles again and again. Be motivated. Find out why you want to go where you want to go. Why do you want to go to the next level? Why do you want more money in your life? Now's the time that you have to sit down and do the work. After you do that, you'll have all the solutions there for you, like the marketing, what you're going to do, applications, books, whatever you want, that's out there for you. But unless you get motivated, unless you want it so much that you'll turn off the TV, that you'll sit down and write for an hour, that you'll look inside yourself and see what you really want in life, unless you actually do the effort now, you won't get there. The problem today and why it's difficult to make money is because we're all looking for quick fixes. Fast and easy. It's not like that. You can't get there fast. Nobody can promise you that you can get there fast unless you've done this part. The effort, the sitting down, writing, the waking up half an hour earlier in the morning so you can do your exercises, the taking care of yourself part. That's the biggest effort you're going to make. That's the most difficult part. That's what you need to do now. And it's going to come easier. Then you'll find all the solutions you need business-wise. Either to expand what you're doing right now, either to go into a new business. But bring yourself to a situation where you're motivated, you're excited, you want it so much that you'll sleep 2 hours later researching what you want, how you feel, learning about the law of attraction, learning about happiness, seeing what it means to have money, opening your mind to different ideas, sitting in your own calmness and finding out what you really want, what drives you. That again is the biggest effort, okay? I'll say it again and again. That is the biggest effort. That is your takeoff. That is what's going to get you up there. That's the most difficult part. That's where people stop. I don't want you to stop. Let's go for it. Subscribe. Make sure that you see the videos. Okay, I want you here every week. Write in the comments if you need help. If you want to come into the programs that I have, the seminars, send me an email. Like if you like this video, I really would like to see your comments on how this makes you feel. If I made you uncomfortable, that's good. I want you to get out of your comfort zone. Make the effort. Do something different. That's what's going to change your life. I'll see you in the next video.